Hey there, Matt here with BuiltRight Industries. I'm out in a wildlife area taking some photo and video with a drone, and while I'm waiting for batteries to recharge, I thought I would show you our new tech panel system. You might have seen these. We've had them out for a while, but we've been kind of waiting to get them out in circulation, get feedback before we really start promoting them. So I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to show you what I have in the back of my truck and see if it's something that might interest you. Oh, I'm getting caught up in branches here. Okay, so this is our tech panel system, we call them. They come in 3 different sizes. The large is the furthest over here. The medium is right here. Those are both the same length but different heights, as you can see. And then a small, I don't have in my setup here, but a small would be slightly smaller than this one. So on my large panel, I've got 2 of our Web Dominator elastic clips. Those are empty right now, but typically I would have a flashlight and a knife in there. I've got a pouch that I keep an extra set of gloves, some first aid kits, some survival type blankets, that kind of thing. And then I've got each panel has some elastic straps in them as well. And you can see I've got a marker and a pen stuffed in there. On this one, I've got kind of a thinner pouch here. This is just sort of a prototype that we're playing with. Actually, this is a small panel. I forgot I stuck that there. So I got kind of a small pouch, and then I'm carrying around a roll of duct tape, Gorilla Tape, because I always seem to need that. I might even stick some zip ties in there for easy access. On this one, I've got a big heavy pouch. This is the Baja Tactical First Aid Kit. This webbing is the MOLLE PALS standard, but you don't have to necessarily use it like that. I've got one of these in my wife's truck, holding a first aid kit, pen and pencils, and a roll of paper towels. So there's really a lot of things you can do. They all stick to a carpeted surface like this, so it's heavy duty Velcro. So you're not going to have any issues with stuff falling off unless you're hanging, 15, 20 pounds on these. But it's going to attach to any kind of carpeted surface like this. So we've even used them in the carpet of my wife's Tiguan to strap things down to the floor too. So that's our tech panel system. Again, that's 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large. They're sold individually and also as a kit. We also sell those little elastic straps, clips that I showed you, along with some plastic carabiners that clip into the webbing too. So we're having a lot of fun seeing people buy these and then how they use them. So if you're interested, I'll put a link below or above, depending on where this video is, to our website with some more information. And of course, if you have comments or feedback, just leave them. Thanks.